Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has front wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that tow hitch receiver backup camera, the nice hybrid logo, with a hard folding tonneau cover. This vehicle does come equipped with the XLT Luxury Package, keyless entry keypad, nice looking mirrors here, the XLT right there, and move to the front, we got the license plate bracket, and the nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior with the orange stitching. So we have storage there, plenty of storage in the door. We got floor mats, USB and USB-C, 120 volt with a little hook there, and of course you do get the ability to fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 73,695 kilometers. We got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got some nice information, trip 1, digital speedometer in my view, or you can customize the screen. We do get your audio, phone, settings, and to my right here we got our gear select, parking brake with traction, auto hold, and drive modes. Tons of storage with that lovely orange accent again, 12 volt, USB and USB-C with your storage below. We got climate controls right here with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, thanks to that luxury package, hazards, and your media controls, storage below, above, and our nice powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do get our infotainment system that has a little storage cubby right there, audio, phones, apps, and settings. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth. You got your phone controls right here with any apps you may have downloaded. Settings such as your Bluetooth, Ford Pass, ambient lighting where you can change the brightness in the car, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG10100A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.